everybody, Giselle here. Welcome to another tutorial. Today we'll talk about an address lookup and verification tool. If you are a business owner and you're trying to create a list of prospects in a specific area, you can use this tool to generate valid addresses. Or if you already have the address, let's say you want to send a package to someone, you can also use this tool to verify if their address is a deliverable. So let me show you how. Go to searchbug.com and log in or sign up for a free account. Next, go to Lookups and Address Lookup and Verification. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to find valid addresses. You can enter as much or as little address information you have, and when entering the address, make sure to keep the house or building number and street name in separate fields. The street type is optional, but we recommend to leave this blank. So now let's try to find valid addresses in Jasper, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. And then click search. There you go. So you can click the street name to view the complete address. And if you want to know who lives in these addresses, you can just click find name and phone or property owner details and it will direct you to another search tool. Next, you can also search by house or building number and a zip code only. Let me show you how. So let's say the house number is 12400. The zip code is 95070. Click search. Okay, there. So these are the valid addresses with that house number and a zip code, and they are in California. Another example is searching by zip code only to get all the street names. Okay, let's try to use the same zip code and click search. Okay, there. So these are the street names with this zip code. You can click the street name to view the complete address. For the first one, we have 3rd Street, 4th Street, and so on. Let's go back to the search page. So lastly, you can search by street name and state to get a list of all cities and zip codes with that street name. Example, we have Main Street in Nevada. And then click search. There you go. So there are Main Street in Alamo, Austin, Baker, Beatty, Nevada, and so on. So next, let's verify a mailing address. I have a mailing address here, but we're going to blur this because this is a private information. I will just show you if the address is valid, vacant, non-deliverable, etc. Okay, click search. Okay, so the address that I entered is valid. This tool is perfect for lead generators, business owners, marketers, or anyone who just need to verify and look up an address. Visit searchbug.com today and give this a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.